Hello, today we are going to do a bit of sequencing. Now we've done a bit of this before, but we've not done it for a while. Sequencing and looking for patterns is what we are going to do. So if you had a simple pattern like so we've got 4, 6, 8, 10. What do you think the next number would be? So if you have to look and you're not sure what the next number would be, you look from one number to the next and you think, what is the difference between that number? So to get from 4 to 6, you are adding 2 each time. And you want to check, is this the same rule as you go on? So go from the next number, 6 to 8, you are adding 2 again. And the next numbers that you've got, 8 to 10, you can see that you are adding 2 again. So up here, you are adding 2 each time. So your rule, that is what the sequence is following, is you are adding, add 2 each time. So if the rule is you're adding 2 each time, your next number is going to be 12. Okay, that was quite an easy one. So when you are doing sequencing, you will, I'm nice and professional using my jumper to clean this out. When you are finding a pattern or finding a rule, look at the numbers that are already there and trying to work out what it is. So let's see, 5, 6, 8, 11. Let's see what this is. Now you can say, I don't think it's going up in something just like 2's, but you have to check. So go start from the numbers that you can first see. So 5 and 6, you're adding 1 there. The next two numbers, what is the difference between those? You've got 6, 7, 8, you are adding 2. So these numbers up the same. The rule is not as simple as just add 2 each time. 8 to 11, you've got 8, 9, 10, 11. You are adding 3. So let's look at what's happening here, what the pattern is. So we've got between the first two numbers, you're only adding 1. Between the next two numbers, you're adding 2. Between the next two numbers, you're adding 3. What do you think the next number would be in that pattern? So your rule, you're adding 1 more each time. So your next one would be adding 4. And 11 add on 4 would be 15. So your rule would be, this is what the pattern is following, you add 1 more each time. Oh, this doesn't fit. Each time. Okay.